Hey guys, this is Wes with Untamed Outdoors, and man, I've got this little camera, this little Picasso camera, and what I'm wanting to do is I'm wanting to take a cap and I want to mount this camera right on this cap so that when I fish, especially when I'm fishing off the bank and I'm having to wade in, this thing will sit right on top of my hat. I've got one of the little mounts, and I'm going to do what I'm going to do is try to mount this to the top of the cap so that I can mount this on top of it. Guys, I've started this process, and when I did, I had my camera set on pictures rather than video. So I have actually already drilled a hole in the cap where I want to mount this, and now I'm going to see if I can't get this mount mounted on top of the cap so that when I fish, man, I'll be ready to go. So let's see if this works. All right. Trying to get that down small enough that this piece will sit right on top, and I'm also trying to put a washer on it that will help hold, and I have Loctite also. Once I make sure that it's going to be the right size, I'll put some Loctite on it and then screw it down tight, and then we'll go ahead and mount the camera up there and see if it's going to work. Man, I think that is going to work beautifully. These cameras sit up here just like this. Look at there. I do believe that is going to work. Check that out. Pretty cool, huh? Be honest with you, I'm not the first person to come up with this. I actually saw a guy do this on YouTube, and I thought, man, that is slick. I need to figure out how he's done it and do one for myself. All right, I may wish that I hadn't done this, but I'm actually fixing to use super glue on this. I don't want it to fall off, ever. Ever, 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 ever. Wow, that's thick. Let's turn that the direction we want it to face. And let's tighten this dude up. Man, I believe that right there has it. All right, give me a second. I'll turn it on. We'll walk around and see if it works. All right, here we go. You can see how it looks from the where I'm wearing it on my hat. I guess you can have to point that down a little bit if you're fishing and looking down. You kind of aim it where you want. And you can see how it looks from the other camera I built it with. Pretty cool, huh? I mean, you can squirrel hunt in this thing too. It's pretty nice. All right. This is Wes with Untamed Outdoors.